Today's Monday, January 25th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Deville Convertible 68 367 Series 6-piece belt line body side molding trim set. This is for my friend Mike in Iowa. And these units have been cleaned and polished, and they are absolutely beautiful. Mike was needing a nice set of driver quality, and I would call these show quality moldings after the 7 days that I've spent cleaning and polishing them for Mike. So these are 93 inches long on the rear quarter panel, consistent with the original period correct 68 367, not having the F suffix. So they're not for the 68 367F, but for the 68 367 1970 DeVille Convertible. And it's a 6-piece set comprising the 96-inch long rear quarter panel moldings. Absolutely beautiful. The 54-inch long body side door moldings, and the 19-inch long pot metal chrome plated spears for the front fenders. So this set is for my friend Mike out in Iowa, and this is the 68 367 1970 period correct 6-piece body side belt line height trim molding set. And the two longer moldings are made out of highly polished stainless steel, and the smaller 19-inch spear moldings are made out of cast pot metal with the prongs cast into the body and chrome plated. Okay, so these will be going out to my friend Mike as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac parts, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source restored products. Today is January 25th. Thank you very kindly.